And straight to business news now. The central bank has announced a special secondary market intervention sales at the marginal rate of 280 naira to the greenback. Earlier, the Nigerian Interbank foreign exchange market opened live today on the financial market dealers and quotations FMDQ OTC Securities Exchange, trading between 260 and 267 naira to the US dollar. Trades were settled at 255 naira to the greenback on the FMDQ system. We're now joining our business correspondent, Bosin Omofaye, live from Victoria, Ireland, Lagos, for further analysis and insights. Hello, Bosin. Now,
thank you, Charles.
All right, could you give us a sense of what has played out in the FMDQ and, of course, the pegging of Nigeria's currency?
Okay, thank you, Charles. I'm sure we have quite a number of issues to disclose as we speak, and we'll talk to the country treasurer and the market head at Citibank Nigeria. Bayo Adeyemo is here with me, but just about a minute to bring you up to speed some information that he will be bringing some further perspectives and analysis on. The special auction that the central bank did today was in the sum of $532 million US. About $500 million was what the Central Bank of Nigeria sold to banks today. And that came in at the figure you spoke about earlier. That's about 287. So we have the figure there. The market opened once again 285. Now quickly show you here the Thomson Reuters FX tracking system. Do you see the number of transactions being concluded and now that are coming up and giving you a different exchange rate for the naira? You can see as high as 285 and also as low as 281 naira to the dollar. That's for a size of 10 million US dollars. You see figures here as low as 500,000 US dollars sold at 285. But you see, as the volume goes higher here, the rate seems to trend a little bit downward. So if you look at the figures at this column, the last column here on the Thomson Reuters, you find is a $2 million transaction, and the rates between 282 and 284 naira to the dollar. So the market is back. We're expecting trading to continue for a few more minutes between now and 5:30 local time. But let's bring Bayo into the conversation to bring us more speed. Bayo is the country treasurer and market head at Citibank Nigeria. Thank you very much. As we said earlier off camera, it's been a nail-biting day, gradually coming to an end. Bring us up to speed where we are right now as far as the volume is concerned and the rate that we've seen throughout today's first trading day.
Thank you very much. Yes, the central bank conducted a special secondary market intervention sale today, and they sold about $532 million. It cleared at 280. That's the spot sale. The auction was a combination of spot and forwards, but this they have cleared in the spot market. Expectations are that some sales will still be done at the forward market. This essentially is very remarkable, considering that we've had this backlog for a couple of months now, and there's been inactivity really in the two-way FX interbank market for almost 16 months, and it's impressive that we finally are able to restart on the back of this intervention by the central bank.
Very interesting. You're coming from a bank with holdings with footholds in the United States, an international bank, Citibank Nigeria. What's been the word from the global marketplace in terms of those who are out there in the U.S. and others who have been waiting to see this new regime take off? What has been their reactions this morning looking at what's been happening on the trading engine?
Well, I think the global investors are broadly impressed by the steps taken by the central bank so far. But again, they are cautious. They are cautious, and will want to watch over the next couple of days, weeks, to ensure. I mean, to be certain that there is a consistency in these actions. But overall, I think since the announcements were made on Wednesday, the new FX regime and the introduction of the primary dealers, I think broadly there's been positive feedback and responses from the global community.
Speaking about among those of you who are currency traders, what are expectations for tomorrow when the market will reopen? What are you looking for?
Well, I think the traders expect a bit of volatility. We expect that the volatility will persist over the next couple of days until most of the demand, the outstanding demand, has sort of found its way and has been met. So we expect volatile trading sessions in the days ahead. But again, it's a great start.
It's a great start. Thank you very much, Bayo Adeyemo. Thank you very much, Bayo Adeyemo, Country Treasurer and Markets Head at Citibank Nigeria. Charles Eruka, back to you in the studios.
Thank you.